If you're seeing a Lucidchart embed error, a loading issue, or a redirect problem inside Confluence, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, so you can get your diagrams loading again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the browser itself, because a lot of Lucidchart embed errors are caused by privacy settings or blocked cookies. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. From there, look for third-party cookies. If third-party cookies are blocked, Lucidchart may not be able to load properly inside Confluence. Change the setting to allow third-party cookies or add an exception for lucid.co. Once that's done, go back to your Confluence page and refresh it. In many cases, that alone fixes the embed issue immediately. If the diagram still won't load, the next thing I recommend is testing in an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Then open the same Confluence page and sign in if you're prompted. Try loading the Lucidchart diagram again. If it works in Incognito mode, that usually means the problem is being caused by cached data, cookies, or a browser extension in your regular browser session. Now, if the issue continues, it's time to clear your browser cache and cookies. Go back into your browser settings, then open Privacy and Security again. Click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time, because a partial clear may not fully resolve the issue. Select cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After that, restart your browser completely, reopen Confluence, and check the diagram again. This step is especially helpful if the embed worked before and suddenly stopped after a browser update or a site change. If Lucidchart still isn't loading, the problem may be with the connection between Lucidchart and Confluence. In that case, reconnecting your Lucidchart account can help. Open Confluence and either edit a page that already contains a Lucidchart diagram or insert a new Lucidchart macro. If you see a prompt to sign into Lucidchart, click it and complete the authorization process again. This reestablishes the connection and can fix broken permissions or expired access tokens. Once you're done, refresh the Confluence page and test the diagram one more time. A good tip here is to go through these steps in order. First fix cookies, then test Incognito, then clear cache, and finally reconnect the account. That way you can identify whether the issue is local to your browser or tied to the Lucidchart integration itself. If you manage a team space or a shared Confluence environment, this can also help you narrow down whether the problem affects just one user or multiple users. And remember, if the diagram loads in Incognito but not in normal mode, the most likely cause is browser data or an extension. If it doesn't load anywhere, the authorization between Lucidchart and Confluence is more likely to be the issue. In that case, reconnecting the account is usually the best next move. So to recap, allow third-party cookies, test in Incognito, clear your cache and cookies, and reconnect your Lucidchart account inside Confluence. Those steps solve most Lucidchart embed errors quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another software problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.